baby, go ahead, go ahead. Shit! Holy shit! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! No!
November 22nd, 2025, Darwin, Australia. On Saturday, Australia was battered by Cyclone Fina, which formed in the Timor Sea on November 19th. The storm passed north of Darwin, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. Several coastal areas, including Casuarina, Fanny Bay, and Nightcliff, experienced the most severe storm conditions. Fallen trees blocked major roads and damaged high-rise balconies, light structures, and signs. Darwin, Palmerston, surrounding villages, and much of the Tiwi Islands were left without power. The Tiwi Islands and Darwin's northern coast experienced the heaviest winds and rainfall from Cyclone Fina. Authorities issued several emergency warnings for communities in the wind corridor, particularly around Longimpi, Warromiang, and Milika Pitai, urging residents to take all necessary safety and preparedness measures. Gusts of up to 205 kilometers per hour were recorded on the southern coast of Melville Island, and rainfall of between 100 and 200 millimeters was reported across northern Australia. Forecasts suggest that up to 300 millimeters of rain could fall in some areas from Darwin to Monday night. This amount of rainfall increases the risk of flash flooding in areas with poor drainage systems and located around rivers and canals. Cyclone Fina formed and intensified unusually quickly, not expected at this time of year. This is a serious warning for residents, as normal seasonal preparations may not be enough to deal with such a storm. The storm's track shows that Darwin and surrounding areas are directly exposed to strong winds and rain. People should therefore brace their properties, secure trees and light objects, and avoid low-lying areas. Although the storm was limited in geographical scope, the intensity of the winds and rainfall in its center was very high. This means that even small or urban areas that were thought to be safe could experience severe damage or flash flooding. Therefore, it is vital to focus on local safety and pay attention to urgent warnings. Cyclone Fina showed that even small, fast-moving systems can cause severe damage and pose serious risks to residents. If you live in or are traveling to northern Australia, be sure to follow weather warnings, prioritize your safety and that of your family, and stay away from high-risk areas. Remember, being prepared before a natural disaster strikes is key to saving lives and property. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date with the latest weather news and warnings.
Ooh.